and before they come deport me, come finally deport me for December. For 2019 December comes. I reach out small me, I see my wife. I don't know what I was doing. I look. She did, she did swear for my president.
Yeah, they can't deport you.
Since when I come up, learning my daughter to her for road. That's okay. But what of my deport? Why you call it the juju to deport me for Jamie?
Oh.
You say in one, she not deny. You say in one, me I conscient. Me my two are conscient. Whether she do or she not do. I say okay, don't wonder. Waiting one prophet really tell me because when the matter they happen, there is one Igbo woman. When direct one prophet for me, I call the prophet tell me saying I'm my wife, now they do everything. Say the woman not be ordinary woman. When I marry. Say this is why.
Hello, my people. I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Una do well. As una take the help me take the share, comment, like. God go bless una. Really appreciate una well. My people, this video, I go put am on and listen to wetin happen to this man we call Iyore. This man na Germany first day. As he dey Germany, na paper not dey like that. In dey work, they try to dey work. They carry everything wey they when they gather for that side, like cow, these things, they carry and go house. He get wife for house. So the wife get children. The man they send money, they do everything as parents supposed to they do. He says so in with the family of her. If we cannot come get, they not they play like that. So now because of the same thing, because of this woman, nicely cause her. The man Naisha, the woman Naisha. He says so people come they tell her many things, say the way your wife take they do, the way your wife take they do for us, be careful. Now no, say people they talk. If you get husband for abroad, you can't they dress anyhow, you can't they do anyhow. People must come they tell you something. So he said because of wetin people come they talk to, where they come they tell her, he go they use style they ask his wife say wetin dey happen, be like say this one not trying out, say I put money for your head, go say no, this one that one. He said this woman, may I cut am short, this woman do something to draw this man come house because of wetin he ask am. Say people they tell me say they see you for hotel, wetin you go do for hotel? He said this woman go do juju to make sure say that they deport that man come Naija. Now they can't really deport and come Nigeria. My people, many things they happen. I will put the video. Mona listing. Mona see what really they happen. Una know say to leave woman for house for many years. It's not easy. Even to leave husband. Now the same thing. I dey pity for those people where they leave their wife or their husband for house. I dey pity for them because now wetin cause am na make am. Because if your country good, you for not comot for house. Because now all these things na come dey happen. Either they go dey do juju for you, you no come dey understand what you dey do. Now only that person na you come dey see. They will block you with your family. Now no come dey play again. Now it happen to this man so this man now they come deport and go house. When they deport and call house now, as he want comot again because he no want stay Nigeria, he go Libya. So when he dey Libya, many things come dey happen because the wife come tell am say I don born. Because when they deport am the first time go Nigeria, he with the wife do something. So the wife can't get belle, he can't dey suspect say I been and be me get am because of wetin he fed the year before. He say he come tell am say okay as he be now may he go village because he come dey tell them for village say I no come trust my wife again. Wetin the woman tell am? The woman say no dey go. Even Yorevu call the woman for live video. The woman pretend say she no know anything wey dey happen. Who dey talk to me so? I'll put the video. Mona listen my people. Mona be careful.
Wetin me dey talk now? For that time now, I come there at the same things. I dey do everything they give am for Germany that time. When I tell you Germany. For 2019, I come send motor when I want to go give am. As I send the motor go give am, he start like people come and say, this woman when they send everything they give, she dey build that they wait for you, they do everything. You know say this woman get boyfriend? I say, my wife, they answer those things, she not dey agree. Say even if I want to be the matter come, she not even allow me talk her. Say all those things are for you because I say that for her head. Now only she be woman when I get. So now I say answer. As I just answer now so she just carry my leg for ground. Say why me will even call the answer? Who be the person who will tell me? I said the person who will tell me, hard. Now my junior one, I say see person when see you. Say I want to tell her say he see you, he see my brother wife with another man for hotel. Now I say the answer. So the woman take carry my leg for that 2000. I don't already sell the motor. Use my son, they say put the motor go give her that period. And after the matter, now so I tell you, say, she come call her one day. She follow one policeman go Lagos. He say motor when he brother where they jam me carry come. Say the motor, they spend money, the motor, they not be carry come. He want follow the policeman, go Lagos, go carry the motor. And I follow policeman, go spend 3 days for hotel. Now I come say, you
your wife,
woman, you live there for us.
Wait,
so your papa carry motor call, you want follow the policeman. Go carry am. Now with the matter say happen that time, mommy, when I do from before I know wetin dey happen, government for Germany they don't carry my leg for ground. They just write petition against me, say I get 4 children for Nigeria with my wife, say I abandon that I don't live there. I want to come marry another woman for Germany. They get one girl, one Bulgarian girl when I dey friend. That one they post me for picture well. They carry the picture, now they send that for my house Snyder. And so problem start, they do. Before they do, they not fit deport me that time. My lawyer can't fight the case that time. They not come fit deport me. My wife now can use a spiritual way to enter the matter. Now be smart before 2 months, another for that 2019, another while I don't start. Now so they do me, even people, me and many people, when we there, all of them even surprise. Which kind of problem with this one when not they finish? And so they say deport me that I even try to run. Now I go fast. As I just reach hacking, I not even dress like I dey travel. I just reach hacking. And so police just surround me for hacking. They just ask me passport. And so they first carry me come back that time before they come deport me. Come finally deport me for December. For 2019 December come. I reach as mommy. I see my wife. I don't know what thing I want done. I look. She did swear for my presence.
Yeah, they can't deport you.
Since when I come up, learning my daughter to her for road. That's okay. But what of my deport? Why you call it the juju to deport me for Germany?
Oh.
You say in one. She not deny. You say in one. Me I can't see her. Me my two I can't see her. Whether she do or she not do. And I say okay, don't wonder. Waiting one prophet really tell me because when the matter they happen, there is one Igbo woman. When direct one prophet for me, I call the prophet tell me say my wife, now they do everything. Say the woman not the ordinary woman. When I marry, say this is why before person marry, I have to take the woman to church. May they do deliver for them before I marry her. The pastor called me like that. As I reach us, and where we she carry me go GROA, one celestial for GROA for Yama. The set as me and she just go there. Me not even know the prophet before. Now she carry my wife carry me go there. As we just read the same thing. Now the prophet just tell me, say whether my wife tell me say me I come. Say now my wife now carry me come back.
Easy.
I look, mama, nothing make problem with her, nothing do anything. And my children, they did there. I say, but now, not if I say me as a follower, they make problem now. I know if we come on for Nigeria, I will see day. Now I take carry my first son, follow body. That one now 16 years old boy. I carry down follow body. Me I say that one say come on for Nigeria. She for inside that one, she don't come and say she get belly. Again, after 4 children, she come and say she get belly for last year now, 2020. She come and say she get belly. I say, who can give you belly? He said, "Na me now." I said, "That belly because me don't already come up." And I said, "That belly, you sure say na me get am?" He said, "Me give me test when you do." Now he send the test, come give me. They send the test, come they say, and the department of December 18. They bring the test, come say she get the belly for December, but say the belly start for December, but no, they not come write date put. When the belly
oh yeah, wait. Now the 18, now they deport you. Now when you make love with your wife, when?
When I take on her so when I take reach Nigeria.
December time.
Because she did deny, she did swear, so you know. I make love with her for that December, so when I come. I make love with her, that kind 2020 something. I make love with her. For January, I still make love with her before I come up for February.
Now you get the belly now. Happy?
Now we call they do the matter. Mommy, because the one where it don't happen, I did not forget that one. So everything what she do me for Germany because of 2 children, I not come through the matter. I not even tell my family the matter. I not even let my family know say me there because me and all those ones will not they agree too much. Me not even call those ones say I did Nigeria before I say come out. When me and this one take on leave now. As today and now, the thing I can't even work. If I record the woman, sometimes my wife when say a new born, she born for September last year. If I call her sometimes, she will just off my phone or she will just block me. If I call her, the number will be bounce from morning till night. Sometimes I will call her around 8 o'clock in the night. She will do road. She will do inside motor. Where you for the you when you born? Where baby? You say baby there with my girl because I get only one daughter when she born for me. That one at 13 years old now. You will say that one hold baby for her. I say you when you born, you leave baby for us. You enter road this night. Children they have. You don't see me anything not happen to them. Where you go this night? When I say the matter, don't even if I even they talk the matter, say she no match, she will just call the call. He will just offer. When I lose an coffee, they talk. Now I call my family for us. Now I call report the matter to my family. Says, see what I pass through for my wife. And she will even do, she will call me sometimes. She will call me for video call. He will add another major. He will add another major the video call. It will be conference call. If I the answer be this, the man will call the call. I can't call his brother. If I want to join me, I report that one to them. Before me even they talk the matter, that one just carry my leg for ground. Say you no know the one will be my own for inside. Say for even for Jamie where he dey. If they see Oyibo, when marry, when get wife and children for us. Say the man will come out, he will go carry another woman for us. The woman will come out, he will go carry another man. Say they know will say make the woman come, make all that put. Now I say, now what now you tell me so? And so I take all the boy call. Now I block the boy for phone. Before I report the matter to my family. And now my family invite her now. You say no, they come. And before me come up for Benin, they already tell me say the church where they go. Now because I'm the pastor, now they follow and they do everything. They tell me for inside the church say the pastor with my wife say they get with the day. Say before me come, say two of them. Now they see. So, before me come out. And the pastor, many people tell me say the pastor is see with her. The person when you see the eye join me for phone now see the pastor. If I just call the number, so the man will just shout for me. Say me I not try to call this number again. Me I not call the number again. Say no one care to know me, no one know who I be. I never know you before. Person add the joint call, say call me for conference call. For WhatsApp for that matter, not be say for ordinary call. Me no, I just like me I confirm who this one be. They shout for me. I think tell me, mama. Now I call report the matter to my family. My family invite her now for our village for Eboyimi. They invite her. She says she know the come. She did my house now. She did and the children did. So all my property when I do you now she dey use the everything. Even earlier this year now I see rent flat for her for Eriri. I rent one flat for her 200,000 and I pay for the house where I did for Eriri. Earlier this year now I rent that one for her. Mommy, I beg, I not know what to do. This one when I tell you now, you know, village people that they do. And they say not true. Say the woman, he really get boyfriend for Benin there. Even the man where they friend, with the number of the man they with me, if I they call, I will just shout for me. Say me, I not call the call again. Mommy, I beg. I want to help me. If you still need that number, I will still say a number for me.
Give me a number. Make a fair call and first before I go talk to you. Before I will call you back, may you dey online, they watch. Okay. Yes.
Okay, ma.
Now, if I call him, what do you want make a... I can't know you are calling. What the phone do report? Wanire Webo. Was in Nigeria. One is your in Nigeria. Where came maybe where we say, or come attain a passy. There is no amount in warrior gear. The happiness of Ghana complete. More than 5 years. Autonomy go to a give begay, a phone, gila begay. You got in here, oh, bet. Not a matter. Where care? If you no get there, no matter beg, if you no go. Omatekeke wanisi okwa yo wan wasi owoku wawe mo wa mawu wa pa diero ebonu wa maege nu wa ya de wakakabo ati owoku wa awi ya rere because omaizi omegene evudo men do understand evudo no woku ometami no ya woku. That is so be a concours. So you got combo wabo, we are here. What begging me? You ain't here. Ima advise anybody no mo tuere no mo ku. Wasinya wa e go to mare ne separate ya wo kan many of them o ko be ri ori oda fin ala wa be webo. O ma izi ni biere me ma ke ni jori eri o no da fin ya bo wa mu ni ya. Awa wi o to awa manage me prefer no do fun me wa ro me yeke. Oda fin ya be we na ya be do agba lo ko ni agba me yo egbe. Eno ko ne kwa kate sili ke to gwali ge webo no yi. Abi wo wa we ge Emma. So everybody have to stop. Anybody no what travel no wa mo kan we legbe. Ku gwa ki we wa ya gba lo de. O gwe ave mo ku gwa legbe no we si emu a wa isu seba. E mo na si a na pa je we bo lo ka mi bo. So wa de we bo wa ku gwe kegbe. A bi ma me emi no mu bi e la we bo. Omo go mo legbe mo me 2 years o me wa your cross. It's better. Da wa do tota ewebo ona oriomo ni jo ni re de 5 years who wa ya mi ebi o kan we wa arriba de 10 years who wa ya je Nigeria ije o de no wa enjoy bai o kwa igbera 50 years in emi o pe mo boy kan ko vere o again no wa ya enjoy any from that 20 years in 30, 35, 40, 45, ya boy 50. Anyway, don't mind we boy. Don't mind we boy. We ya want to me sha. Sister here what that for worry go giwa. But una gelege what to put kwa be. Then you go ni yari you go be lan you wa gbere. O be meeting you wa gbere. Cause we worry about kagbon we o. Dukpo ni ami a wa me. Hey, we choko ko da fun me le lo ko be webu. We choko da fun me ye bi eje webu. Dukpo ni ayi be ga wa me. So is there no esi o ma layo igbere ne. La ma no ya le ba eni o ma layo igbere ne. Take 2 minutes I okay mwe ba eni o ma igbere. We are wari o igbe baba no wa onu digest. Ya o emi eso no gbera. O wa layo we igbere direct. Ya o. But amaka kenu jebo ya choda fun we adiowa. If you no da ekpa we ni ge wa so obo. O so no so eme. So no dey mo no be mi go ya pay mo I get school fees. Okay, wa mo pa deport ema. I we boya deport ma. Wa gi ma kole wa ya atan me yo. Wa ni be file phone me wa ma o. Wa we se wa ma no be unu wa ri zena. Debbie, what's it Juju to draw you back? Don't listen, now the woman they call so. I don't know why my phone did no number. Hello? 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 Hello, my sister. Good evening, ma.
Good evening, madam.
I beg tell the children make them slow, please. The noise is too much.
Huh?
I want to talk to you. Come up from where the children there. I want to talk to you, please.
I'm not there.
I say I want to talk to you. Yagu egwa. Enezire nu je kami bia kani ni aga italo. Tell the children so make they hold on.
Hello?
You know they hear me?
I don't hear you now.
I bet tell the children make they not make noise again. Now your husband. Your husband, now he bring your matter come. Where your husband?
Huh?
Your husband, where your husband? Oda faweru.
Olowa.
Oda faweru wo wa. Ya me ti gwegun. Ya me ti gwa wa we gwa.
I'm not here.
Can I talk to your husband?
Talk to me now.
But where your husband?
He never come.
Where he they go?
Hello, who they talk to me?
Okay, let me go to the point. Now me they talk to you, mommy. You're the one of Paris. I don't know whether you go don't see my video. You see that woman where bring salt and water come out, and they do my program on YouTube. Maybe you never hear of
I'm
me.
not here.
Hey, Jesus Christ. Hello.
Hello?
You,
Hello, let me talk.
you know that woman where bring salt and water come out, where we tell they pray. English now your master. Anyone. Now your husband come, your husband, now he come report to me. Your husband. Okay. Chebida don't invite you for village. They invite you for village, yes or no?
I'm not go. Who they talk to me?
But why you not go? You supposed to go now. Now me they talk to you now, mommy Yore. You see that woman? I don't know whether I'm not sure say you go there, you go even there Facebook self. You there for Facebook?
Yes, I do WhatsApp.
Okay, not WhatsApp, not be Facebook. What I want to ask you, Your husband tell me say you get belle. Hello? Your husband say you get belle.
Yeah?
Your husband say you get belle. You hear me? Okay, now your husband say if they that, may you go village. What your husband say may you go do for village?
I don't know.
But before you go say you not go, why you not ask your husband? Say my love or my husband, what I want go do for village?
Who they talk to me? Who they talk to me?
Na mommy Jore be my name. Na France I dey stay. I not na France now I dey do program on YouTube. Maybe you go don't hear my name. That woman way.
Now France you do.
Yes, ma.
Anything?
No, not be because your husband they follow my prayer points. Your husband they Morocco no, I be Libya. Your husband they Libya now.
Anything?
I don't even they understand you. Which kind, madam? Please go to the point. Your husband say he tell you say may you go village. Say the belle when you get in this. Eh?
Go do it.
But why you not ask your husband say what do you want go do for village? My sister, my brother. You know, say we have different type of wildness. I don't know if you understand my English. If you owner, who can maybe feel like person like your wife now, or my defio. If you know, boy, what really want money, okay, I want lunu. So you just forget about this woman. Leave her like that. I abandon here. Okay, pray for your life to enter Europe. She's too dull. She's too dull. The woman too dull. Native dull. If this woman enter native daughter life, they go finish all your money. I will advise you as a brother, fight for your life. On a oko no gomazio. When you get your life video, you're the worst person ni egugwan before. I don't know how boka do way etana. He can never tell you. So what I will just tell you, not let it matter bother you. Her matter bother you. Not even think about and think about your children. Pray may you enter the Europe back, you and your child. Okay? Just forget. Because when you no see gedu, wa mwenga wo si wewe yeke. Oh, si onya wewe yeke. Many women dey like that for Europe. Iyado. Takebe no waya gwan e. Egbana na abe do we luwe. Abe do luwe oku obe yan na do luwe. Eh fati e lafiwe. Ah moko no ma serious e brother, u fati e lafiwe. E do we je ni maniko. Magabe moto no ma serious u fati e lafiwe. Cause so that akwe wa fearful u lose. You here lose we. To get a bad luck or slowness life or get bring you way down, man. Hello.
Hello, ma. Mami, good evening, ma.
Good evening, sir. God bless you. I talk with your wife. She dey pretend like say she not even know what it dey ground. You not even know all those kind of things. Please, my brother advise you. How old your wife dey?
She will do 30, let me say 35 now.
Now she just dey talk like say she never even come up for Benin one day.
Mommy, she know what she do. That woman not be honorary woman.
Not be honorary woman.
Now you go answer me back. I see come back. I look because of my children. I not feel wrong for her.
You say she know what she dey do.
But hello, ma.
Hello. You say she know what she dey do.
Hello.
Oh God.
She know what she dey do. My family go village and the whole community. I would say you need my senior brother when they village, no banner for send for you. All those one will explain everything to you. Me and them, since I go Euro, come back, 1 year I not give them one day, I not call them one day. Because I said they abandon me, they no lower me to travel. Now let my wife lower to travel. He get one if I been him for Germany there. He did Mochigaba. Now they help us. They send us to go Nigeria. You understand? Now they help me to carry car to every three times in a month. Now they send us to go to give them before I still carry motor come. House when I build for airport road, say for what the other. Now she build the house way for me. I not say one family one day. And she use it to attack me to make sure say the baby come back. He said she get boyfriend for.
So she just accept, say that she do juju, take carry you come back to Nigeria. Oh my God. I dey hear this thing, this is a fake.
So Jeremy, when we go this Celeste church, where they hear heroin, I carry me go for her, man. Now she carry me go there, me not even know the pastor. We never even sit down before the prophet begin to talk. Exactly what the first tell me for Jeremy, so say that so the prophet talk. She did there with the man to talk. Everything when the man talk, he come out, he go tell the pastor for church. Say where we go, see what they talk.
Oh, Jimmy. Oh, what begging me? Go give me no walk me. So now where you contain? Now you tell Libya.
I tell Libya now, me and my first son now, because that one be doing SS1 for this secondary school where they opposite OLE for airport road. I ask if they go SS1. When they say deport me, I look, I know if he forward in the school. If I leave her like that, come on, because the boy they grow past the age. I call it, if I leave her like that, come on, we just enter after begin to do another thing they go. Now I just kind of follow body. Say God do me, we are still trust her for here.
Oh, Jay. Oh, see life. Oh, Salobane Giguarok Mario Hodan. Oh, God.
Anytime when I just talk and come out, the blood and when they jam me, they will just carry my leg for ground. They will say now some white women they do. Say they know they kill the white woman put. Why me would they talk and say their sister the two left answer. Your sister stay down for her head. They carry an anchor for my leg. If she they do all those things, you will draw my enemy go back.
But artists they talk say Asian women they can never fuck for outside if they pay their bride price. That they talk and say they can never try it.
Now so our play too. Heavy for business.
Okay, now why your wife can't do it now? Your wife not be Asian.
Now Asian, now the same village for come. Now the same way for come.
Yo, we are working me.
Hane na Vivian Ogbebo.
Vivian
because Ogbebo na my family.
Working me.
Whether she don't check down and what the family say they call her, I don't know.
Wọ́n gbà tí wàá wọ̀ náà náà ọ̀bí ẹ̀ wọ̀ pa. Kọ́ ẹ̀ wá mi balọ̀ wọ́n. Ìwé náà káwá rí jẹ́ mi wá wẹ̀rẹ̀ gbé tó lótọ́ kú wẹ́kọ̀ mọ́. Wẹ́n náà wá wẹ̀ gbọ́ ní ibi ẹ̀. Ọmọ wẹ́ bọ́ọ̀lù yá máa.
I see the same money they give her. Not be say I even abandon her. Anything when I still work for you, I will still give her. I will say no worry, the road never clear. Not knowing that she dey do another thing. And I God, now even call the civil. Anytime when I take some money, do give her. Say me take pay my children's school fee. That week, 1 naira no will enter my house. Me and person my pikin when I chop, we know fit chop. We dey borrow people money, me we take the eat. Any week, of course, which kind of problem be this one? If I answer, I will say na my family na dey do am for house. I will ask she know wetin she dey do. He will say na my family na dey do am. Say they want see me want take progress. I beg me una help me because as you call her now, he will still tell his brother now. What his brother they do? That one will they track me for phone. That's what that one they do because he get people when look computer well. And they will get my number, track my number phone. As I live down, they will track my phone for your number. When they send my phone, they will get everything. They will use my number till they do nonsense. And wait for those until they attack me with that one.
Yo, my God. Your wife not get papa, get mama again.
You know, you don't get papa, but you get mama.
What
you get mama? Mama know everything. Mama know everything where they happen. Mama know everything where they happen. Mama they support them. Mama they support them. The time when this thing happen, when I fell release the land, I said they carry my leg for Jamie. When they worry me for Jamie, I think say the thing don't work. Then out to the port that day. Police find me come house in the night. One boy come call me. You say we are there. I say I just from work come because they start 3 years contract for me for wedding work. I get company when they work for EKLS. The EKLS are for they go work. I then Hasberg, at the front Hasberg they go work for EKLS. The boy come say that night me I don't sleep pass. So we are there. I say there. Say me I don't sleep. Me I find where to sleep. I can't go sleep one of my place. Now Benin boy they call the boy Felice. I can't go sleep his place for room. That very night police in the night now with they from window they look there they come my room. They be one come carry me that day, they don't see me. After 1 week, now I come out, I go renew my paper. As I go office for our house line, that we go for the renew paper. Now there they be want to room me. I can't run, leave my bag, leave everything for there. That day, I can't run, come on. Now that day, I see me, I come on, go France. When they still go home me for asking. The police were home me for asking. Sometimes they will help me. When I escape all those ones. They can't say they will help me, I not worry, me, I not run again. I can't say, now that time they can't take away the case. They can't renew my paper for me. They can't give me 3 months. They can't stamp 3 years contract for my paper. Can't they work? The October again. October, one of my wife pastor come call me for Germany. Because that one you just call they do. We call they share my number everywhere. Different number will they call me. The pastor call me. He say na pastor. He say na pastor. Now say pastor from where? He say from Edo. Say. Now my wife now give her my number. Say before the end of that 2019, say I was in Nigeria. Now say God forbid. I not get document, I not get anything. Wait till I take on Nigeria. He say my wife not tell her anything about document. So say me I concern her loan. I say God forbid I reject her. And really December now they can't carry me.
My brother, just take heart. Yeah? What you go do now? I will give you prayer points. Make you they pray. Make you they pray.
And I don't everybody come to me again. Even my village people now, they say they invite her. They call and not call. They even go send message, call, go give him mama. Say that say the community need her. Say the family wants her. The mama wanted, they say the girl no, say the daughter not well. Say the daughter they been not well.
Salobua.
I beg, because the matter they be even say as far the man not bad day with me. Say me a reporter for Oba Palace. Me a fat person me help me reporter for there. Say this kind of thing, say Benin with it there, they forbid her.
Wait, so the man where they friend your wife. The man where they friend your wife, you get the man not bad.
The man where they add join, he will add and join me for video call for WhatsApp.
Yeah, send me the man number. Send me the number. Make I want the man.
I get the man number. If I call, I will just shout for me. Not they pick my call.
Send me the man number, and you go tell me the. What you know the man name?
I don't know his name. I don't know. He don't add and join me for WhatsApp. They call me. The man number can't come out. You know, if a conference call for call, you know, the number must come out for the phone. And the man come out. The man will show his face. He put the phone. He put the camera for back.
But you know, say your wife. Hello, Oga. You know, say your wife not today intelligent too. She not today intelligent.
Oh, me, senior.
She not today intelligent.
I said the number for my junior one. Hello, ma.
Bring the man number, come. Bring the man number, because your wife not today intelligent. Bring the man number.
You know what did happen? Even as me to talk to you now, they say the woman, a low native daughter when not look for Benin. Say the woman not be ordinary woman. Even say if my family call, I know will come. You know, even though you talk to her, I wait till they marry, I will just not listen to anybody.
He said she not they go. He said she not they go. She refused to go, which is very bad. Which is very, very bad. It's your that for when I get at here. We no nare webo. Get Nigeria jewa here. Okay, webo.